Welcome back here to Punta Cana. All you can see, today's beach video is up in Uvero Alto, and I show you how the seagrass is up here, sending up the drone. Right now we are next to the Sirenis Resort, and then we stop by at one other place here in Uvero Alto. Behind me you see some souvenir shop. It's grown since I've been here the last time, and that's what I wanted to show you. If you're at the Sirenis, just next door, there as well some shop. But now let's go to the beach. Yeah, I went here to Tropical Treasure to set up the drone to see the Excellence El Carmen. Why always Tropical Treasure? Because I can always park here. It's not so easy anymore. So have a look at the beach of Uvero Alto. I flew here at the Excellence El Carmen, and then I tried to reach the Breathless. Had a little wind warning, but I think you can get an idea. today from Punta Cana. All you can see beach report. We've been to the Sirenis and then Excellence El Carmen. Maybe you could see something from the bracelets, I think so. I always try to combine my work, so actually I was in Uvero Alto because I had clients from our buggy tour to drive back to the Excellence Punta Cana, and they said yes, they have seaweed. So if someone is coming up here to the direction Uvero Alto, that's how it looks here right now. We are July 14th today, 2022. Goodbye from Punta Cana, all you can see. I hope to see you in the next video.